I bought and tested these tankless water heaters so you don't have to waste your hard-earned money. If you're tired of running out of hot water or dealing with bulky tanks, stick around. I'm here to give you the lowdown on the top 5 best models out there. Product number 1. ecosmart Eco 11 Electric Tankless Water Heater. I installed this compact unit in my bathroom and was blown away by its performance. The first thing that struck me was its size. At just 8 inches wide, it can fit almost anywhere. I was excited to see if it could deliver on its promise of endless hot water. And guess what? It did. With its patented self-modulating technology, this heater constantly monitors water temperature and flow rates, ensuring that I had a steady supply of hot water even during peak usage times. The LED display is user-friendly and allows you to adjust the temperature easily. I loved that it heats water on demand, which is a game changer. Unlike traditional tank heaters that waste energy by constantly heating water, the ecosmart only kicks in when I need it. It claims to be 99% thermal energy efficient, and while I can't verify the number, my energy bills certainly took a dip after I made the switch. Now, let's break down the pros and cons. On the pro side, its energy efficiency is a massive win, and the space-saving design is fantastic for smaller homes or apartments. However, on the con side, it might struggle to provide hot water from more than one faucet at a time if your inlet water temperature is low, so be mindful of that if you have a larger household. So why should you buy the ecosmart Eco 11? If you're looking for a reliable, energy-efficient solution that saves space and offers endless hot water from low-flow applications, this unit is a solid choice. It's easy to install and offers great value for money. Product number 2 is XWDZ SWGIS Electric Water Heater, which is a compact and budget-friendly option. At first, I was skeptical about a unit priced under $60, but it surprised me. This model operates at 3000 W and heats water almost instantly, making it perfect for quick needs like washing dishes or hand-washing clothes. I set it up under my sink, and its compact design made installation a breeze. The digital display is a nice touch, allowing me to set the temperature easily. One of the standout features is its safety mechanisms. With dry combustion protection and leakage prevention, I felt secure using it. However, it's essential to remember that this heater isn't suitable for showers since it can't maintain a high flow rate. Pros? It's lightweight, energy efficient, and perfect for small spaces where a traditional tank would be too bulky. On the downside, its limitations in flow rate may not cater to larger households needing simultaneous hot water. So why buy the XWDZ SWGIS electric water heater? If you're looking for an affordable, space-saving solution for light hot water needs, this is a great pick. Just keep in mind its limitations for larger demands. Product number 3. rheem 18 kW Tankless Water Heater. Now, let's talk about the rheem 18 kW Tankless Electric Water Heater, a more powerful option for those who need consistent hot water throughout the home. This unit is designed to handle up to 4.4 gallons per minute, perfect for larger households. I was impressed with the external digital thermostatic control, which allows for precise temperature adjustments. It's incredibly reliable thanks to its self-modulating feature that adjusts power based on demand. The installation was straightforward, and I appreciated the durable copper immersion heating elements that are field serviceable. That means I can easily replace them if anything goes wrong, which adds to the longevity of the unit. The pros here are clear: excellent flow rate, reliable performance, and easy installation. However, it is more expensive than some other models, which might deter budget-conscious buyers. Why should you consider the rheem 18 kW? If you have a busy household with multiple hot water needs, this unit is worth the investment. It provides a steady flow and peace of mind with its advanced features. Product number 4. Titan Electric Tankless Water Heater. Our next contender is the Titan Electric Tankless Water Heater. This unit packs a punch with 11,800 watts of power, making it suitable for both home and commercial use. I was intrigued by its dual heating chambers, which allow for on-demand hot water control. The design is compact yet powerful, fitting easily into my utility room. What's really impressive is its energy efficiency. It heats water only when needed, which can lead to substantial savings on energy bills. The warranty is another significant plus. Titan offers a long warranty period, ensuring that you're covered for a while. The max amperage draw is 54, which means you'll need a proper electrical setup, but that's standard for units of this caliber. Pros include high energy efficiency and robust warranty, but it might require professional installation due to its power requirements. So, why should you buy the Titan electric tankless water heater? If you want a unit that can handle high demand and save on energy costs, this is a solid investment. Product number 5, the rheem RTEX24 electric tankless water heater. Finally, we have the rheem RTEX24, another powerful option that delivers continuous hot water for whole home usage. I was impressed with its adjustable temperature control, allowing me to set the temperature in 1-degree increments. The performance is top-notch as it adjusts based on the incoming water temperature, ensuring you always have hot water when you need it. The installation requires proper electrical specifications, but once set up, it operates efficiently and quietly. The tankless design saves space, and it doesn't require venting, which is a big plus in my book. The pros include excellent performance and adjustable temperature controls, while the cons are its higher upfront cost and the need for specific electrical requirements. Why buy the rheem RTEX24? If you want a reliable, high-capacity tankless water heater for your entire home, this unit won't disappoint. So there you have it, the top 5 best tankless water heaters on the market. Whether you're looking for something compact, powerful, or budget-friendly, there's a unit for you. Invest in one of these and you won't have to worry about running out of hot water again.